Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Angga Safitri. I'm student from Persada Indonesia University. In this presentation, I will discuss three topics. The first about business. The second is about partnership, and the third is about cooperation. Before we start this presentation, we would like to say thank you to my lecturer, Mr. Budiantoro, who gave me a chance to make this presentation. So first, we will begin with business. Comprehension question. So 1. What are three ways that a business can be privately owned? Answer. These are the sole proprietorship, the partnership, and the corporation. Number 2, what from do most American businesses have? Businesses in the United States are sole proprietorship. What from do most businesses in your native country have? Limited liability company. Number 4, the sole proprietorship make the most money. That is, do they have the great volume of business? So proprietorship does not generate the large volume of business, but they account for less than 60% of all business transactions. Number 5, list some businesses that are like to be sole proprietorship. Why? Beauty shop, repair shop, restaurant, laundry shop, agriculture business, because a sole proprietorship is the simple and less expensive business structure to establish. Costs are minimal, with legal costs being limited to obtaining the necessary license or permits. 6. The some businesses that are not likely to be sole proprietorship. Why? Doctor office, because it is a form of business partnership. Bus company, tractor company, because they account for less than 16% of all business transactions. Partnership. Number 1. What is an important difference between a general partnership and a limited partnership? When the owner of a partnership have unlimited liability, they are called general partner. If one or more partners have limited liability, they are called limited partner. Number 2, what is the difference between a silent partner and a secret partner? A silent partner is someone who is known to the public as a member of the company, but without authority in management. While the secret partner is someone who takes part in management, but is not known to the public. Number 3. What are some professional fields in which partnerships are found? There are partnerships in professional fields such as medicine, law, accounting, insurance, and stock brokerage. Limited partnerships are a common form of ownership in real estate, oil, reposting, and the mining and quarrying industry, to name a few. 4. What are some businesses in which limited partnership is a common form. Limited partnership are a common form of ownership is a real estate or profession, meaning acquiring industry to name a few. Discuss the advantages of partnership. Partnership are more advantageous than sole proprietorship if one needs multiple sources of capital or the service management. See what are the disadvantages of a partnership. There are a number of disadvantages or disadvantages to partnership. One is unlimited liability. This means that each partner is responsible of all debt and legal responsibility in connection with the business. Another disadvantage is that partner may disagree with each other. Complication can also arise with the death of a partner. For example, a share of the business could come into the hands of a less desirable associate. 7. Which would you prefer for your own business, a partnership or sole proprietorship? Why? If neither form would be suitable, explain why not. So proprietorship because they are easy to form and offer receive fast treatment by the government as well as tax benefit. Comparison. Who are Number 1. Who are the owner of a corporation? It is operated by individuals whose shares of ownership are represented by stock certificate. So number 2, is a corporation necessarily larger than a sole proprietorship or a partnership? Yes, because the corporation attracts a large amount of capital. It can make large investment in plant, equipment, and research. 3. List at least 3 advantages of the corporate form of ownership. Number 1, the first is its ability to attract financial resources. 2. A second advantage is that if the corporation attracts a large amount of capital, it can make large investment in plant, equipment, and resources. 3. A third advantage is that a corporation can offer high salaries and the talent manager. 4. What do you think the disadvantages of the corporate form of ownership might be? I think the outset is if there is profit. It is generally reinvested in the institute rather than being distributed to private stockholders. 5. The business corporation generally issue stock to stockholders. What type of corporation usually do not issue stock? Privately owned business establishments such as education, religious, and charitable institutes. Governmental corporations are always non-profit and usually do not issue stock certificates. 6. Name some well-known corporations from various countries of the world, such as the USA, Germany, Japan, and your own country. What does a corporation on your list do? What type of business are like to take a corporate form ownership? USA, JP Morgan, Cash, Bank Company, German Bavaria Motor Works, Automotive Company, Japan Sony Corporation, and Indonesia PT Angkasa Pura Flight Company. So conclusion, business. A business can be privately owned in three important forms. A single ownership, however, does not generate the like volume of business. Partnership. This means that each partner is responsible for all debt and legal liability in connection with the business. Complication can also arise with the death of a partner. For example, part of the business can fall into the hand of less desirable partner. Corporation. A privately owned business entity is an instituted entity for the purpose of seeking profit, operated by an individual. The ownership is represented by a share certificate. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.